Today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on your 2017 to 2022 Chevrolet GMC 3/4 ton, 1 ton diesel pickup truck. So what I'm using is just a standard AC Delco filter. Filters here on the passenger side, there are 6 8mm bolts that hold it on, 1 sensor that has to be removed, and then 2 of these clamps. So what I use is I just use a little impact to get these, zip these bolts out. The last one, all the way back. And you want to pull this little clip out and squeeze it. It pops right out. And now you want to loosen up these these hose clamps. They give you plenty of room to get this thing out. So there you have it. There it's removed. You see there's a filter and then there's a pre-filter. And man, that thing's nasty with a bunch of leaves and all that junk on there. So we'll just get some of this junk out. Let's get a vacuum cleaner real quick and clean that guy out. All right, now it's time for the new filter. Like I said, the filter's got a pre-filter and it's the regular filter. So put that right on there. It's very simple. Now he's got to tighten these 6 bolts back, then we're good to go. Just do this very slowly. And so then what you want to do is reconnect your sensor right here, plug that in, and then we'll tighten back these clamps. All that looks good. So there you have it. Air filter replacement on a 2017-2022 GMC Chevrolet diesel pickup truck.